simply remove any flower or lower leaves and place the cuttings in a glass or vase of water up to the first couple of knots. Place it in a bright location out of direct sunlight, such as a well-lit windowsill. Replace the water daily or at least every other day to keep it fresh and clean. Once suitable impatiens rooting has taken place, the rooted impatiens cutting can be transferred to another permanent location. Before planting, however, it's helpful to harden off or acclimate the young plants to outdoor conditions. To accomplish this, simply place them in a protected area outdoors, preferably in light shade, and then gradually increase the amount of light they receive over a period of several days. Impatiens cuttings can also be placed directly in the garden. Just poke them right into the ground, preferably in a semi-shady location. It usually takes anywhere from a couple weeks to a month for impatiens rooting to take place. Once rooted, the plants can be transferred to their desired location. Pot up your rooted impatiens cuttings into pots using multi-purpose compost, and your new impatiens plants will quickly grow away. I hope this video was helpful or even interesting for you or even colorful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you very soon. Happy gardening!